Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out and testing out this new product from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. Aside from that, we're also going to be comparing it with the Revolution Soap Styler. We'll find out which products actually works best on a sparse brows like mine. In that way you'll be able to save some money. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. I doubt if these two products actually performs similar or exactly the same on my sparse brows. In that way you'll be able to save some money. Please keep on watching. I already did try this Revolution Soap Styler before. I've actually did try it out quite a few times, but unfortunately it's actually not my favorite one. It's got a built-in mirror. It's also got a built-in brush that you can actually use. So this is like a small, like a mini toothbrush. That's the only thing I can describe. The actual brush itself, it's actually a little bit hard actually. It has a 5 grams, retail for $12 Australian dollars and $8 US dollars. Pairing with that, I actually haven't tried it yet. So when it first came out, it was actually sold out so fast. So I'm actually on a wait list. So as soon as this one comes available, I actually went and bought it straight away. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. This has actually got a 8 grams and it's actually retail for $39 Australian dollars, and in the US it's retail for $23. I'll be showing you the video now how these two products actually performs on my brows, and to see if they actually performs exactly the same, or and which one would I actually recommend for you. Quite challenging to have that like a thick brows effect. The fairy style eyebrows. This actually got a hard texture. Revolution Soap Styler, I have to spray it with the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, I'm just brushing my brows up. Okay, I'm just applying a small amount and I get a bit messy. I feel that there's already wax on my brows, but because I've got sparse brows, you guys probably won't be able to see the difference. Okay, let's go and try the Anastasia one. This is more like a the texture is very soft compared from the Revolution, so I'm just getting rid of any excess on the back of my hand. And this one I actually don't have to spray it with the Fix Plus. Watch a little bit of the video that I have to press it down. Beverly Hills actually easy to apply than the Revolution on this side. I can actually see that it actually defines more of my brows easily using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. Application on the eyebrow products. I find it the Anastasia Beverly is actually easy to so it's actually easy to apply the actual brow products on the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Texture of the actual texture of the Revolution is a little bit waxy compared from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's why it's actually taking me quite a while to do the revolution side. So my final thoughts between these two, personally, I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Even though I'm actually gonna be paying more, I'm actually also getting more products out of it. Actually very soft and also very easy to apply on my brows, especially with my sparse brows. I actually like to do my brows as quick as possible. Also notice that it's also giving me a little bit of volume. What it stated is a brow frizz. It's definitely giving my brows a little bit of frizz on my brows. Actually didn't move, and I'm actually applying the eyebrow product. I actually did help you out in today's video. If you're actually looking for an eyebrow wax, and especially if you've got a sparse brows like mine, and please comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.